Hello students, today I will start numerical on triangle. I have already discussed the formula of triangle. You will search triangle by Moinath Mukherjee in YouTube, you will get the video. There I have discussed the formula, the perimeter, area and height, how to find this of a triangle. We have already discussed there. Now I am going to start some numericals on this. Students, I will request you to watch the video at first. You get the idea, then you will try this sum. Okay. Now, number 2, the area of a equilateral triangle is eto. We know that for equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So number 2, I am doing first. Let equal sides be a centimeter. So what is the area of equilateral side? Root 3 by 2 into side. Root 3 by 4 into side square. That is the area of the triangle. That is the area of the triangle. Root 3 by 4 into side square. So we get root 3 cancel. A square by 4 equal to 81. So we get a square equal to 81 into 4. Therefore a equal to root 81 into 4 equal to 9 into 2. Therefore a equal to 18. So each side equal to 18 centimeter. Right? Root 3 cancel. 81 into 4, 9 into 2. 9 into 2, 18. So each side of the 18. Calculate its perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter equal to 3 into side. That is 54 centimeter. Height. What is the height of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 into side. Root 3 by 2 into side. That is 9 root 3 centimeter. This is the height of the equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 2 into side. Side is 18. How do we get 18? Because the area is given. Area is root 3 by 4 into side square equal to 81 root 3 cancel. So a square by 4 equal to this one. So 4 will go here. So square rooting we get 9 into 2. Don't go for multiplication. A square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 4 is 2. So it is a equal to 18. Now we go to the next one. The perimeter of an isosceles right angle triangle is given. What is the perimeter of an isosceles right angle triangle? Right? That is root 2 plus 1. Perimeter is given. Calculate its hypotenuse and atho. How to find this one? Look. This is a right angle isosceles triangle. Let equal sides be A. And this is root 2 plus 1 it is given. Right? No. Perimeter is given. The let equal sides of the required triangle or equal size of the isosceles right angle triangle be A. Therefore hypotenuse root over a square plus a square root over 2a square, that is a root 2 centimeter. This is a root 2 centimeter. Now perimeter. What is perimeter? A plus a root 2. Perimeter is root 2 plus 1. That means 2a plus a root 2 equal to root 2 plus 1. So what we are, look, 2 means root 2 into root 2, right? A root 2 equal to root 2 plus 1. So we are getting root 2a is common, or you can write a root 2 is common. Root 2 plus 1 equal to root 2 plus 1. So a root 2 equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Therefore a root 2 equal to 1 or a equal to 1 by root 2. So we are getting, students, I think you can watch it. Yes, quite problem. Okay, now a equal to, this is a root 2 equal to 1, a equal to 1 by root 2. But what we have to find? Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is a root 2, that is equal to 1 centimeter. And area. What is the area? Area is half, this is 90 degree, half into base into height, half into A centimeter square, half into A square means 1 by root 2 whole square. A equal to 1 by root 2 whole square. Centimeter square, that is half into 1 by 2 centimeter square, that is 1 by 4 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay. Now we'll do the third one. Look, if each side of a triangle is doubled, then find the percentage increase in area. We don't know any side of the triangle. So this is a scalene triangle. We know how to find the area of triangle by Heron's formula that we have discussed in the previous video. So let sides of the triangle be A, B, C. So semi-perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, right? So area A equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now each side become 2A, 2B, 2C. Therefore, A is equal to 2A plus 2B. Why 2A, 2B? Because each side is doubled. 2C by 2. So, ultimately we are getting A plus B plus C. Isn't it? Or taking common 2 cancel. A plus B plus C. New area. That means suppose it is A1. Previous area was A, new area A1. A1 is root over S into S minus 2A, not A because side is 2A. S minus 2B, S minus 2C. So we are getting, what is that? A plus B plus C. Why I am doing this one? Look, I can do this one also, but now I will put the value, of this one. Okay. Or we can say one thing. Look, one thing. Here we have get the new. This is small s, semi-perimeter small s. This is capital S. Otherwise it will be same. So look, A plus B plus C is 2 into small s. So capital S equal to 2 into small s. 2 into small s. So instead of capital S, this is capital S, right? So this is 2 small s. This is 2s minus 2a, 2s minus 2b, 2s minus 2c, right? That means 2s, that is taking common 2, 2, 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, we are getting S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. If you have any problem, then you can write this is S1, it is better. S1, S, S1, 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 this is S, that is better. No problem of small s and capital S. So what we are getting, look, we are getting 16s into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, right? Can you see it properly? Yes. So by square rooting 16, we'll go here 4 into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That means 4 into A, right? So A1 becomes 4A, right? Because it was A. Look, this is A. So new area is 4A, previous area A. Now we'll find how much the area is increased. Okay. Look, therefore area increased. New area minus previous area, that is 4a minus a, that is 3a. Okay. So percentage increase power, increase in percentage. This is the increased in area by original area. Increased area by original area into 100%. Increased area or increase in area by original area into 100. That is 300%. This is the answer. Okay. Now we'll do the next one. Look, this is a very good one. If the lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio, that is lengths of the sides are not given, but the perimeter is given, find its area, also find the altitude from the opposite vertex of the larger side. This part I have added, this portion, because this is very important part. So what I am doing here, because it is given some other book, so I have added this one, very easy one. The solution. Let the sides are 3x centimeter, 4x centimeter and 5x centimeter, where x centimeter is the proportional constant of the sides of triangle, right? Size of the triangle. So perimeter is given, therefore 3x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 48. That means 12x equal to 48. That means x equal to 48 by 12. That means x equal to 4. Okay. Now what we have to find? So sides are 3 into 4 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter, 4 into 4 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter, right? And 5 into 4 centimeter, that is 20 centimeter. So say this is the larger side, this is 12 centimeter, this is 16 centimeter. Now we have to find the area. Right? Achha. Area, look, from these sides we can say that 12 square plus 16 square equal to 20 square, isn't it? 12 square plus 16 square equal to 20 square. That means it is a right angle triangle, we can understand. Half into base, half into 16 into, because this is the largest side, so it will be the hypotenuse. So these are the base and perpendicular, half into 16 into 12, we get the formula. But we will not do that one. We will do in another method. Okay. Because all the time the sides will not come in this form. Okay. So we will go for this one. How to do? Sides are given. Now we have to find the area. So we know for finding the area we use the Heron's formula. Therefore area equal to root over s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Where s is the perimeter, semi-perimeter, s such a semi-perimeter, right? Therefore area equal to, what is s? Look, s is semi-perimeter, perimeter is 48, so s is 24, right? S is 24. 48 by 2 centimeter, that is 24 centimeter. S into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. 24 into 4 into 8 into 12. Right? Now split up this 24, 2 into 2, 4, 8, 24. For 4, 2 into 2, and 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 12, 2 into 2 into 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 3 is how much? 2. So we are getting 96 centimeter square. This is the area. Now what we find, also find the altitude of the, this one you have to find, altitude. Altitude from the opposite vertex of the larger side. This is the larger side, opposite vertex. This is altitude you have to find out. That is height of the triangle. What will I do? Let length of altitude be 8 centimeter. Now you can consider it as base and it is height. Therefore half into 20 into a, half into base into height. Why? Altitude means perpendicular to the base. So this is 90 degrees. So half into base into height. This is also the area of any triangle. So half, if base and height is given, but here height, base and height is not given. But now base is given because we have to consider it base according to the question. Half into 20 into height equal to area is 96. Area is 96. So H equal to 96 by 10, that is equal to 9.6. So required altitude (9.6 centimeter). This is the answer, required altitude, and this is another answer, area. Okay. So this type of sums are coming. There are some different type of sums is also given, but there will be no problem if you know the formula and its application. Everything will be easy. How to approach this type of sum? I have done 3 or 4 sums. How to approach? If is it possible, I will upload some other sums. Okay, if it is possible. Okay, so try and practice. I think there will be no problem. Thank you, and thank you for watching.